Yo guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if we talk about this video I'm going to just give you guys a tutorial about how to make a cartoon from Plotagon story. Yeah. So I do normally use data. It's pretty good. So without further delay, let's move on to the video.
ලස්සන සින්දුවක් නේද සීයේ? ඔව් පුතේ. අපේ ජීවිතවලට මුහුද කොයි තරම් ලෙන්ගතුද? ඇත්තටම සීයේ ඒ කාලේ සීයට බයක් දැන්නෙම නැද්ද? ඔය ගැඹුරු මුහුදට යන්න?
Okay guys, so you have to do is you have to just go to your Play Store and just download the Plotagon story app, and it's done. It's like loading, so you have to wait until that loads. Yeah, loaded. And if you're going to just create a video for the first time, you have to go to the plus sign here, create video. So, and yeah, you have to choose a scene for this. Wait, it's still not loaded. And remember guys, when it loads, oh yeah, see, when it loads you cannot choose these the scenes which is for the with the bucket, and you can choose these things because you can download this and you can select it. So for now I will just select this elevator. So it's already selected. So now we have to do is to select an actor. In this also you can just choose these guys, and you can choose the ghosts, and yeah, and you can create a character. See, yeah, I'll show you. Loading content. Okay, so you can just see whether if it's a male or it's female. I'll choose male. Yep. Or you can never mind. So we'll go to his hairstyle. Oh, not that. For the face, you can just select one of these. Like this. See, I'll choose this. Oh no, this is better, I guess. Wait, it's still loading. So even this one. Okay guys, so it's loaded. We can select it like this, and like this. I guess it's not that cool. Yeah, this is better. And you can select his skin color like this. I'll choose this better. And so you can just select his hairstyle too. Yep. So his current hairstyle is this. You can select anything without this bucket icon. I'll choose this one. Yep, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. And you can like just get him beards and all. Yeah, but I don't think he will need a beard like that. And so you can even select the lip color and all. His current lip color is this. Can select it like this also. I'll select this, and you can just change his eyebrows too, like this, or like this. I think this one would be better. Oh yeah, this one is great. So, and you can just like select the eye covering like this thing. Oh, awful. No, this is better. And you can select his color also. See, black color, blue color. Oh, I'll choose brown. And yeah, you can select any sunglass or spectacles or anything you like. I'll choose. What would I choose? There are some jewelries also. We'll see. We'll use these headphones. Oh yeah, nice. And never mind, we'll use this. Oh yeah, better without this. And you can change his costume also. Yep. We'll see. Hmm. 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 I don't think it'll match. Oh, we'll see. A normal one, like something like. We'll see. Yep. There are monos, so. Oh yeah, this is better. Uh, I guess no. So we'll go to a shirt. Yeah, better. And the short, I guess it's cool. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. So then we have just created him, so we can go back. Yep, can go back and wait. There are two Kyles, so I can just rename his character like this. We'll put my name. Yep. Okay, yeah, good. So you can select him and you can again select a character like this. So, and you can change their positions like this to the buttons. Oh yeah, we can choose that. Yeah, like this. And you can even choose another one like this, or you can write a dialogue or you can record it even. Yeah, I'll select Ushan. Yep. So I will just show you how to just type it and how can we do that. No, not Ushan. Hi. Yep. We'll see what will be the reaction. Yeah.
Hi.
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 So you can change his the expression. So like ashamed, angry, agreeing, afraid, accusing, happy. Yeah.
Hi.
See? Or you can just do this. You can record your voice like this. Yeah, you can select the red button over here. So if you want this, you can just click the right button. So Hi. See, and you can even choose a dialogue again. Choose a dialogue, and you can just yeah, and you can even do that hi or something else. Like we'll see, like hi, how are you? Like that. I know it's awful. So wait. Hi, neutral. Uh, yeah, it's. We'll just keep him as neutral. I know. Yeah. Hi, how are you? See, so very nice, right? So even we can just choose. We can write text or something, and if you want to just cancel this thing, you just have to just like do like this. See, yep, and if I go like this, there are a lot of music, and if you are just want if you want the what do you call this, more music, you have to just download this. um yep, I'm downloading that. mm, yeah, we'll just cancel this. Oh, there's an error with this, so we'll just put an happy music like this. Wait, have to see. Hi. Hi, how are you? And I don't know what's wrong with that, because the happy music does not just like it does not appear. So we'll see. Again, I have chosen music. Sorry. So we can just choose sounds also, like this cell phone ringing. Wait. Uh, or like this. Bomb? No. Mm, yeah, cell phone ringing. We'll just see, and you can just position the camera like this, keeping the establishing shot. You can just put like this. Hi. Hi, how are you? Where's the cell phone ringing thing? I don't know what's wrong with that. So you can make your own video like this, and I'll show you something again. And you can even just choose another scene like this. Yep. And you can choose another one, a ghost or anyone. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, no need. I just showed you all the things, right? So you just cancel it. And if you want to just like save your work, you have to just click this render video. You can just select either the options export with subtitles or export without subtitles. I'll just choose export without subtitles. Now it's just exporting. Yeah, I don't think it will take a lot of time. We'll see. yeah, it's finalizing. Yep. So we don't need to just share this, so we'll just keep this. Yep guys, so this is done. We'll see if this is we'll go back, I guess like this way. Yep. So we'll go back and check whether if that is there. I guess it's there, but I can't find what is there. Wait. Or else we'll go to again the Plotagon. Yep. So yeah, there it is. Our project. Yes, it's there, and again you can just render video, I guess. We'll see what's wrong with that. Okay guys, we'll see if oh yeah, I forgot it. Sorry guys, you have to just share it to Plotagon save to gallery. We'll just name it as test. Yep. Yep, we'll see that if it's there. We'll see. We'll go to the gallery. Oh yeah, see, it's there. Okay, we'll play that. Hi. Hi, how are you? Yeah, see? Great one. So that's it for this video. I think you enjoyed it, and I think you learned something from this video.